Emergency alert system. This message is originating from the Clark County Office of Emergency Management in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used for warnings and essential safety information.